How to fix Windows computer not booting with 2 RAM sticks. Here are some possible solutions that you can try. Here are some of them. Try other RAM slots. Sometimes, the problem is not with the RAM sticks, but with the RAM slots on the motherboard. To test this, you can insert only one RAM stick at a time and start your computer. If it works, then the RAM stick is not damaged. Then, try the same RAM stick in another slot and see if it works. Repeat this process with the other RAM stick. This way, you can find out if any of the slots are faulty or incompatible with your RAM. Clean your RAM sticks and RAM slots. Another possible cause of the problem is dust or dirt on the RAM sticks or the slots. To fix this, you can remove the RAM sticks and clean them gently with a soft cloth or a cotton swab. You can also use compressed air to blow away any dust from the slots. Then, reinsert the RAM sticks and try to boot your computer. Reseat your CPU. Sometimes, the CPU may not be properly seated in its socket, which can cause problems with the RAM. To check this, you can carefully remove the CPU cooler and the CPU from the socket. Then, inspect the socket for any bent or broken pins. If you find any, you may need to replace the motherboard or contact a professional for repair. If not, you can reseat the CPU in its socket and reinstall the cooler. Then, try to boot your computer with 2 RAM sticks. Check your CPU cooler. Another possible issue is that your CPU cooler may be too tight or too loose, which can affect the CPU and the RAM. To fix this, you can loosen or tighten the screws that hold the cooler. Make sure that the cooler is not putting too much pressure on the CPU or causing it to overheat. Then, try to boot your computer with 2 RAM sticks. Slightly increase your RAM voltage. Sometimes, increasing the voltage of your RAM can help it run more stable and prevent booting issues. However, this is a risky process that can damage your RAM or other components if done incorrectly. You should only do this if you are confident and know what you are doing. You should also check the safe voltage levels for your specific RAM model from its manufacturer's website or support team. To increase your RAM voltage, you need to access your BIOS settings and find the option for memory voltage or XMP profile. Then, you can slightly increase the voltage by a small increment, such as 0.01 V, and save the changes. Then, try to boot your computer with 2 RAM sticks. These are some of the possible solutions that you can try if your computer is not booting with 2 RAM sticks. I hope one of them works for you and solves your problem. If not, you may need to contact a professional technician for further assistance.